Hey guys, thank you for watching the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or set up the assistive access feature, or the simple mode, or the mode that's meant for you to utilize if you're especially elder or something on iOS 17. And this mode pretty much makes the iPhone using simple for anyone. And in order to do that, first thing is make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 17. If you haven't updated, you can go to settings and then general software update, and you want to be on iOS 17. Important step. After you have done iOS 17 update and installed it, you'll want to go into your settings, and then you're going to look for accessibility. And under accessibility, if you look down here, there's a bunch of options here, but under this general section, there's assistive access feature now available. By default, it's turned off. In order to set it up, all you do is click on that, and it will show you how to set it up in terms of customizing the apps and the option for the person who will be using it on the iPhone. So in order to do that, we'll go into your settings here. So as you can see here, this post it's associated with this person, and then iCloud information. You can change the Apple ID for someone else if you want. You can change it, but we'll continue here. Now it gives you the option with the appearance one. If you want grid versus a list type like rows, you can select whatever the option you want. We'll keep it at grid for now, and then hit continue. And it gives you the option for the default access that you can have here, and then you can add more apps as well. So in order to maybe add an app, you simply will just go ahead and look whatever app you want. Maybe I want the contacts, so I'll click on it, and as you can see here, it will show up here for us, and then you can select other apps as well. So these are the default ones which you can customize, and you want to keep on adding, and then you go ahead and select the options as well. So we'll hit that, we'll hit continue, and then we want to keep on clicking on the ones. These are the recommended ones, right? The ones that are most simple and easy to use. So hit done here, and you can look at the list for all the apps that are supporting this right now will be available here listed. After you're done selecting it, or if you need to unselect, you can click on the red one. You'll hit continue here, and then it will tell you other options of it in terms of some things available. We just hit continue here. And then here, as you can see here, assistive access and unlocking. So the person using the system will be able to unlock their phone without a passcode. So you can set up no passcode, or you can set up a passcode. So you can change the security settings as well. We'll hit continue here. So this person will be able to leave the access, like the mode, system mode, access mode, or the simple mode, if they know this password. If you want to set up this passcode, so whatever that may be, but you want to make sure you know this passcode, because if you don't, it will be hard trying to get back in. So here I'm just setting up a super simple one, but of course you get the idea here. And get help if you forgot stuff. So now this is important, because if you forget it, and if you don't know, if you don't set it up with the recovery Apple ID, which means if you forget it, there's going to be an option you to be able to reset it or turn it off if you now link it with your Apple ID. So this step you want to do this, set up with your Apple ID, and then here, as you can see here, you can enter that information to set it up with your Apple ID. You can add an email or phone number, and after that, we'll be able to set up recovery mode. So I'm going to go ahead and put my email here for this demo account that we have. So important step to do, because I know a lot of times this is similar to like a screen time passcode that you set up and link it with this. We'll hit continue here, and then the password here. And once you enter your thing here, it's going to hit done here. And go ahead, and now it's set up so that if I need to reset it in the future and I forgot that passcode, I can still do it. Now, this is important when it comes to exiting out of the assistive access mode, or the simple mode, right? So you have to triple click the side button 3 times and enter the code to get out of it. So this is the side button here. So if you want to exit out of it, you'll click on 3 times and put the passcode. So I'm going to hit continue, and it's ready. You can start using it, or you can enter later. So we'll hit start using it, and I'll put in the code that I set up here to enter the mode. And as you can see here, it's now entering that assistive access mode. Again, really helpful mode if someone that don't want to use all of the features like crazy on their iPhone, but they want to be able to do the simple stuff. And there you go, we have set it up just like that, and now you can just do calls. You can go back. As you can see, it's really simplified phone. Now you can access your photos, and just like that, and you can lock it, right? And then to enter, you can open. Now, in order to exit out of, like I said, triple click 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So I did 3 clicks, and then you can exit out of the mode or access one of this. So I'm going to exit out, and I enter the passcode that I set up, and it's going to exit out of the mode again. Really simple and easy to do. Again, would recommend if you want to use it or set it up for someone, that's how you do it, and you can see you're back to the normal screen just like that. So simple as that. And again, to go back again, access that again, you'll go to accessibility again, and then you'll want to go ahead again to start it. You just click on here to start and enter the passcode, and then you'll be back in. So if I want to get back in, simple as that. Again, entering it just like that by accessing the menu here, and then once it's on, again, same exact thing. You can access all of that, and then you can see here this time I can take a photo here, simple as that. And then if I want to go exit out again, triple click that button 3 times. So you have to do it pretty quick. So 1, 2, 3, and then exit out again one more time here, just to show you how simple it is. So again, that's how you set it up. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.